Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare Manus AI and Perplexity AI. Manus AI is a new type of AI tool focused on automation and getting real work done, not just answering questions. It works like an autonomous AI agent that can plan, execute, and complete tasks on its own. For example, it can research topics, browse websites, write code, create reports, and even build full projects with minimal input. It runs tasks in the background and shows progress, which makes it feel more like a door than a chatbot. It's especially useful for professionals, developers, and teams who want to automate workflows and save time. However, it usually runs on a credit-based system, which can become expensive, and results may vary depending on how complex the task is. On the other hand, Perplexity AI is mainly built for search and research. It works like a smart search engine that gives direct answers instead of just links. It uses real-time information and often provides clear explanations, making it very useful for students, researchers, and everyday users. You can ask questions, explore topics, and even analyze files easily. It is fast, simple, and reliable for finding accurate information. However, it is not designed to complete full tasks or automate workflows like Manus AI. Overall, in 2026, Manus AI is better if you want an AI that can do tasks and automate work for you. Perplexity AI is better if you want an AI that can search, explain, and give accurate information quickly. For most users, Perplexity AI offers more value because it is simple, reliable, and useful for daily use, while Manus AI is better for advanced users who want powerful automation and don't mind the cost or complexity. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.